Once upon a time, in a tiny village, a little starflower named Luna bloomed in a small garden. Luna loved making new friends, but she struggled to connect with the other flowers, who seemed too busy basking in the sun to notice her. One day, a wise old tree named Oakley shared a secret with Luna: "Your petals hold a special magic that can bring joy to others. Share your gift, and you'll find true friends." Luna didn't understand, but she trusted Oakley. She began sharing her petals with the other flowers, and something amazing happened. Her petals brought vibrant colors to the dull daisies, sweet fragrance to the scentless roses, and even helped the struggling sunflowers grow taller. As the garden flourished, the other flowers noticed Luna's kindness and began to appreciate her unique gift. They started sharing their own talents, and soon the garden was filled with laughter, music, and beauty. Moral: everyone has a special gift to share, and when we use our talents to help others, we not only make new friends but also create a more beautiful and harmonious world. I hope you enjoyed the story. Let me know if you'd like me to come up with another one.